got a supply line that's leaking. Just a very small drip. I don't know if you guys can see that. About right there. Real small drip. I'm gonna just show you guys how to replace that. First, you're gonna wanna turn this to the right, shut it off all the way. And then what I do is I flush this, let all this drain. Let all that water drain. You're gonna wanna take this off. Have some rags with you because there's going to be some water, a little bit of water coming out. Be careful with the supply line. Like in my case here, we just have PVC, CPVC, which is very easy to break. So you don't want to break that. You have a way bigger problem. Get the new one, get it on. This has been pretty difficult. Get your rag and clean all this water up. Go ahead and turn the water back on. And then check it for leaks. Make sure everything's on there right. You don't want to have to come back for a leak after you just fixed one, right? So just make sure, double check it. No leaks, should be good to go.